The Surface and Environmental Disinfection by ESLOC GDU 11 is simple and easy. The disinfection of surgical instruments is done by dipping the instruments in 5% diluted solution for 15 minutes. Whereas, the sterilization of surgical instruments is done by dipping the instruments in 5% diluted solution for 240 minutes or 4 hours. For environmental disinfection, the 0.5 to 1% diluted solution is used for mopping, spraying or fumigation. High-risk areas. Following sections of the hospital are considered as high-risk areas: operation theatre, intensive care unit, neonatal intensive care unit, cardiac catheterization lab or CATH lab, trolleys, operation tables, various surfaces of operation theatre. 0.5% diluted solution is prepared and is used for mopping of the surfaces of the high-risk area. Same solution can also be used for spraying on the surface. The contact time of 20 to 30 minutes is allowed for disinfectant to act properly. 1% solution is used for fumigation of high-risk areas for environmental disinfection. Low-risk areas. Following sections of the hospital are considered as low-risk areas: wards, corridors, outpatient department or OPD, clinics, mobile units, laboratories, dental clinics. Same dilution is used for disinfection between the cases or for emergency disinfection. 0.25% diluted solution is prepared and is used for mopping of the surface of the low-risk area. The same solution can also be used for spraying on the surface. The contact time of 20 to 30 minutes is allowed for disinfection to act properly. The 1% solution is used for fumigation of low-risk areas for environmental disinfection. The surface and environmental disinfection should ideally be carried out every alternate day. In case the disinfection is carried out weekly, then the strength of the solution to be used for surface and environmental disinfection is 2%. Articles suitable for surface disinfection are sink, waste receivers, operation theatre table, lights, furniture, floor, walls. Safety and precautions. Personal protection should be taken by the person carrying out the procedure of disinfection. The personal protection includes safety goggles, N95 mask and hand gloves to prevent inhalation of the fumes and contact of the solution with the skin or eyes. It is advisable to restrict its use to professionals only.